G20, Q60, yeah. Twin tube, a V6.
No pussy test, not even a vagina. Plain engine in I be my feet pilot. BBL kit that tick like Thailand. Just drop whip, tell roll and pipe that. 7.6 story.
Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel, guys. So in this video we just get the wastegate put on, brand new wastegate, and also we just put on a brand new 3-port Mac. So now we're probably gonna see some boost because the last one was leaking, so I got a new one now, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, man. So as I was saying, like a couple days ago, I was waiting on a brand new wastegate, and if y'all watched the last video I dropped, I think I dropped it like yesterday or day before, when I was explaining what I was waiting on and all of that, so we could move on with the tune. And I also put up a little video up in the corner, so if y'all didn't see it, I'm probably gonna put it like right here back again, so y'all could see what I was waiting on, because this shit was leaking a ton of boost, man. But anyways, I got the new one put on, and I didn't even trouble it, because I think there's 11 psi spring in it, or 17 psi. I think I'm probably gonna have to go and look back on the thing, but it's one of them, so it already came like pre-installed already. So probably somewhere down the line I'll probably do like probably a test hit and see how it's performing, because probably later when I'm coming back I'm probably gonna have to do a data log, so I could send it over to the tuner so he could send me a different map, so we could move on with the tuning. And I know y'all miss them damn Mexico videos, man. Soon y'all gonna get some, so make sure y'all stay tuned to the channel. We got more content to drop. And just look out for more content, man. What is this? A little RS? Oh, it's a V6. That shit clean, man. Alright, so if y'all reach this far into the video, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and later we're gonna upload the new bin file that the tuner sent. So that's what we're gonna upload later, so we could like run the map and get everything situated. But this is gonna be the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, as I said. And peace. I'll catch y'all in the next one.